The first reaction when I see Catalan's movement, I was quite excited. I'm not either support or not support, but to have European citizens to exercise its political rights, to extend its rights to certain kind of movement is perfectly legitimate act in 21st century. So, of course, what follows is quite surprised me. The attitude in the Europe in general, and are not. It changes the tone when they have those kind of issues happens in Tibet or other nations. Some maybe the Soviet bloc, or it completely changes tone. So you cannot have a double standard when you talk about human conditions or freedom of speech.